a.m. Maybe it's not late to you, but to me, I always late at work. Now, I become an early bird. Early bird is an idiom to refer a person who gets up before the usual time. In fact, an early bird has a lot of benefits. Today, I want to tell you two benefits when become an early bird. The first benefit when you become an early bird, you wake up 2 hours earlier. You have more time to do important things. For example, 6 months ago, I always wake up at 8 a.m. and always leave home at the right hours. And I 6 months ago, my health not good. I look so tired when every time I came up the stairs. I wake quickly and so tired. My guest looked at me and asked me, "Are you okay?" "No, not good. I'm so tired. I just left 5 feet of the staircase, but I got out of the gas." My guest said, "Did you do exercise every day?" "No, I'm so busy and no have time to do that." But now, when I become an early bird, I wake up early in the morning. I do exercise every day. I look like stronger. Now, every time I jump up the chair, I feel better. So, when you wake up early, you have more time to do important things such as feel healthier. The two benefits I want to tell you when you become an early bird, you save a lot of money. 6 months ago, I always leave at work at the rush hour. I always face the huge traffic jam. And I couldn't motorbike on the pavement because I may be late at work. Then I see the handsome policeman. "Stop! So sorry, I don't want to do that, but I'm late at work." No, you are wrong. Pay me 200,000. That's the thing I often tell to do, but I don't want to like it. Now, when I become an early bird, I leave home earlier. At this time, there are few vehicles on the street, so I can enjoy the red air. And every time I meet the policeman, I just give him a big smile and save a lot of money. To benefit when you become an early bird, the first, you have more time to do important things. The second, you save a lot of money. Now, I still live in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm an early bird. Always wake up at 6 a.m. and feel wonderful. Back to you.